Hello guys, my name is Rusty. Today I will show you how I made 27k today trading in Q shorts. So before we will start, I want to talk about this website. You can use it too. It is everything you will need to become profitable trader. Now let's. A site link will be in description. When you will go on site, just click get started. After that, write your email and password, or if you don't have account, just click here. Then when you will come here, just click basic plan, or if you want pro version, just click here, and after that just click here, add promo code and type Frosty. And you will get 25% off. Almost 150 points. So yeah, it was really good shorts for me, and I want to talk about like how and why I took out these shorts and why I like didn't long from there, even though I had like SMT here, and also I had like NFP news high here. So time-based liquidity, and like I said, it would be the best to like target as this liquidity. But why I still took out shorts and not longs? So the reason was really simple, and I will like show you now. So 10 a.m. Opened right here. As you can see, it moved a little bit lower. So look closely. It moved lower, then moved higher. It took out this liquidity, swept it. Also made SMT here. Also made TPT-PSP right here from cartel theory. Time-based SSMT, TPT-PSP from cartel theory, swept liquidity. Also was this fair value gap right here. Also was this fair value area right here. And look closely, when it moved like lower, it didn't took out this low. It left it for future, so it would be like equal lows for like better liquidity right there. Also have like this really good lows here, so it is like a market maker sell model. Also, if you will like go on daily time frame, as you can see, price was moving higher after like this retracement. So it needed, of course, rebalance to this price range, equilibrium. So yeah, it was obvious that it would go lower and potentially took out this low, and it did. And yeah, it was really good target. And now, like I showed you, I had like TBT-PSP there, I had SSMT there, I had a liquidity sweep there, and also price just made high of the day. So I had like really good confirmations right here on 50 minutes time frame. Everything same. Price also made hidden SSMT here too. So yeah, I had everything I would need. I also had like this breaker block right here. And why I like took shorts right here. Reason was really simple. When price like made this expansion move, as you can see, price rebalanced it and moved lower. So I just measured this move. I waited price to like retrace into this Fibonacci levels. I used this breaker block right here. I shorted from there. So Fibonacci levels also breaker block. As you know, if you know like ICT very well, breaker blocks are dealing range. So I used breaker block. I used this fair value gap and this 0.8 from my stop loss. So my stop loss was right here, and my target was right here, I believe. And I will show you why it was right there. So reason was simple. On like 1 hourly time frame, I had this rejection block which I used. Also had this inversion fair value gaps, this order block. On 50 minutes time frame there was also fair value gap. So like it was, I think, really good like resistance area there, which like price could use it to like move a little bit higher. So I didn't want to like wait for retracements, and so I just like took out my top profit there because it was almost like 10 an hour already. So yeah, I just didn't really needed more. So yeah, you could like also take this really good longs here, which was really simple longs too, and why I will explain really well. So first of all, on daily time frame, as you saw, price took out this liquidity. So yeah, it took out external liquidity, so it was like simple that price would make a little bit of retracement. Also did what? As you can see, 10 a.m. opened here. My power of 3, 4-hour power of 3 model right here, which I taught you like in YouTube free videos, as you know. So did what? Price moved lower, and it didn't make like really low or something. It didn't manipulate, and like reason was simple. Like I said, when price makes move, 4-hour candle doesn't need to make manipulation. Why? Because potentially this move was manipulation. And why? Because price is bearish. So this was move manipulation. This move was manipulation, but you could like still took that trade. Why? Because price took out external liquidity, also moved like lower, so it needed to like rebalance this price range. So it would be like really logical trade right there. As you can see, equilibrium, your target, really good trade. Why? It was like obvious that price would like make a little bit retracement from there and touch equilibrium. Simple again, took out external liquidity and also use last manipulation leg, standard deviation, look, where price stopped. You could use it really well to know like where price will like retrace to it and just like longed uh, after price just made displacement. First displacement. Here you could like long from there, stop loss on the lows, or like you could long from this inversion right here. So like entry, like your stop loss, and your like take profit. Yeah, it would be like much smaller trade. Like if you wanted more risky trade, you could like put your stop loss here below this 50% of this order block, so it was like almost 3 RR. Yeah, it was much smaller trade, but still it worked really well. And like 3 RR trade is all you need to become like profitable trader and make like a really big amount of money. So yeah, it will be really good trade from there too, and really good short from here too. Why? Because price touched, like I said again, uh touched last like sorry touched equilibrium of last expansion move. So yeah, it was like obvious that price would move it more lower, because on daily time frame it didn't touched equilibrium yet. Here, look, it didn't touch yet, so it was obvious price was going to go lower. So you could like have your entry after price made this displacement. Also there's like really good like probabilities that price made SMT field here too. So entry from here, stop loss like here. Why here? Because if price made SMT field there, it would be like obvious that price was going to go lower faster. You're like take profit here or even lower. Just use last manipulation leg too. And if price like really wanted to go lower, -1, -2, really good trade right here. Again, 12, 13 RR trade right here. So yeah, it was really good. Short, long, and short again. Day to day. So yeah, today was really good day. If you will ask me, like I said again. So like yesterday was roll probability because price is waiting for big news to come out. So like day before previous day of like CPI, like FOMC, like NFP is always lower probability days to trade, because sometimes it just accumulates, like it accumulates because it waits for news to come out, then news comes out, makes manipulation, takes out like highs which accumulated, then it reverses and takes out lows too and moves lower, or like vice versa, manipulates lower and moves higher. So this is like standard uh, like big news move right here. So yeah, you could use it really well for like your trading. So yeah, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and yeah, see you next time. Also, I will like upload next uh series about basic ICT, and also about trading today or tomorrow if I wasn't like busy today. So yeah, good luck in your trading.